Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, episode 127. I'm Aria Reyes. Today, you'll learn exactly how to build the Nomad referral engine so you can attract better clients and build sustainable high income. Your skills are your freedom currency.
Here's the problem. You spend hours crafting cold DMs, following up relentlessly, and still face feast or famine months. It's exhausting, and frankly, it burns you out while you travel. But what if a handful of delighted clients became a dependable pipeline week after week without aggressive outreach? That's the referral-first approach, and it flips outreach energy from push to pull.
In the next 10 minutes, I'll give you a repeatable referral system, exact short scripts you can use, and the async systems that keep your calendar sane. By the end, you'll have a 3-step blueprint you can implement this week to start collecting predictable, high-value introductions.
First, the system framework. Think about referrals as a small ecosystem of 5 core roles: the advocate, the connector, the gatekeeper, the beneficiary, and the steward. Each role has a distinct behavior and a different prompt that converts goodwill into action.
An advocate is a delighted client who tells others about you voluntarily. A connector is someone who knows decision makers across companies, perhaps a product lead you met at a conference. Gatekeepers are assistants or procurement contacts who control access. Beneficiaries are the people who directly benefit from your work, the team that sees improved revenue or efficiency. And the steward is your system, the ritual, CRM tag, and monthly touch that keeps relationships warm. Frame these roles in your head, and you'll stop treating every contact the same.
Why this fits nomads? Advocates and connectors travel too. They remember service that helped them while on the road, and stewards let you run a referral engine from anywhere. You do not need to be glued to your laptop to steward relationships effectively. You need the right prompts and limits.
Now, the 3-step blueprint, the operational heart you can start using this week. Step 1. Identify and map referral candidates. Open your CRM or even a simple spreadsheet and tag 5 clients who are most likely to advocate. Those with measurable wins, strong rapport, and ongoing visibility in their network. Look for recent success metrics you can cite. Delivered results make referrals easy. Step 2. Deliver a referral-worthy experience with energy caps. This is crucial. You want to create delight, not dependency. Set clear engagement boundaries. Define deliverables, 1 async weekly update, and a capped phone block for decision calls. Over-deliver where it matters. Outcomes, not hours. For example, provide a 1-page impact summary at project milestones and a single short walkthrough call. That combination creates shareable wins without eroding your time. Step 3. Activate and track referrals with low-touch triggers. Use 3 simple triggers: an appreciation email 2 weeks after a milestone, a short "who do you know" prompt after measurable wins, and a monthly advocate care note that highlights impact and asks one easy question. Make the ask explicit and frictionless. Offer a templated email to forward in 1 click, or propose a curated intro where you do the heavy lifting and pre-write the message. Here are the exact prompts you can use. Appreciation email. Subject: quick thanks and a small request. Body: short outcome statement, 1-sentence reminder of the impact, and the ask: if you know anyone who'd benefit from X, would you mind an intro? I can draft a short note you can forward. That last line removes friction. For connectors: I've loved working with you on Y. Is there anyone in your network who's actively looking for this kind of result? If so, I can send a short pre-written intro. Those lines sound simple, and they work. Real nomad example. Maya, a UX consultant who spends months traveling, had 5 strategic clients last year. She mapped them, delivered a 1-page impact summary after each sprint, and used a single weekly 20-minute block for client calls. After a major launch, she sent the appreciation email with the 1-click intro option to each advocate. 2 connectors made intros, and 3 advocates forwarded the pre-written note. Within 90 days, those 5 clients generated 3 new product leads, converted at premium rates, and produced roughly $6,000 per month in recurring project value for Maya. She didn't hustle cold outreach. She created simple prompts and did the polite, necessary follow-through. Now, how to scale this without burning out? Protect your time with async templates and a monthly advocate care ritual. That ritual is a short update, one paragraph of impact, one client highlight, and one small favor ask, pre-written, scheduled, and tagged in your project tool. Value engagements. Don't discount unless you offer a small, time-limited add-on to incentivize introductions. Quick negotiation cue. When a referral lead asks for a lower rate because they were introduced, respond with gratitude and value framing. I really appreciate the intro. I price based on the outcomes I deliver. What I can do is bundle a small implementation add-on or phase payments if helpful. Keep the listed rate intact. Offer packaging, not discounts. This protects your positioning and your income per hour. Immediate 30-minute checklist you can run today. 1. Map one client in your CRM as an advocate and note the win you'll cite. 2. Write and send one appreciation email using the short template and include the pre-written intro. 3. Set a recurring monthly advocate care task in your project tool and add a referral reporting tag to that client record. That combination takes under 30 minutes and starts the referral loop. Before we close, a gentle reminder. Referrals are not magic. They're high leverage, but they require consistent stewardship and clear asks. Keep one lightweight outbound fallback, a single 30-minute weekly outreach sprint, so you never fully rely on a single channel. Use referrals as your main engine and outbound as your tuned backup. If you want the exact templates I mentioned, the appreciation email, the pre-written intro, the advocate care note, and the promote with integrity script, they're bundled in my premium Nomad accelerator. I'll link it in the show notes so you can copy and paste them into your workflow and start collecting referrals this month. Charge what you're worth and protect the lifestyle that makes this all possible. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take one action this week and start seeing results. Your skills are your freedom currency. Build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. I'm Aria Reyes. Until tomorrow, keep stewarding relationships the smart way. Charge what you're worth.